So the first CSS snippet we'll be inserting will be for horizontal rule styling, or as Squarespace likes to call it, a line block. Line blocks or horizontal rules are commonly used to break up text or section off headings or just create space on a website. So you can go ahead and go onto any page on your site, insert a block. It's going to be the line block. I'm going to put 2 of them here so you can see. Now Squarespace line blocks only allow you to have completely horizontal 100% fill, and they're usually pretty thin, about a pixel or 2. And so we're going to insert a little snippet of code where you can change the color, the thickness, and the width. And in many of the templates on Squarespace you can already change the color, but some of them you can't even do that. So once you've got those line blocks in your page, go over to the CSS download I've provided, horizontal rule styling. Go ahead and highlight that code, copy it, go back to Squarespace. You want to go to the Design tab, go to Custom CSS, and then just paste it. And there you see what happened when we pasted that CSS in there. Now you can change the thickness of it by changing this first line height. If you wanted to do really thick, you can put it up to say 15, or like I said, you could go down to a more standard 3 or so. The width here can be done in percentage or pixel. So you could go and put it at something like 200 px. Now, it's important to notice that when you do this, some of the templates will automatically make it left justified. So you can change this last margin command based on that. You can take that out completely. So see, I'm working with a template that doesn't have it left justified, so when you put in a margin command, it actually justifies it over to the left further. But if you have a template you're working with that does left justify it when you make the width smaller, you'll need to keep that last margin one in there, and the margin left 25% will make it so it centers. But for mine, I'm going to keep that out. And then this background color is where you can choose a hex color, or you can just type in a standard color if you want, like red. And there you go, and you can use these at will. Anytime you put this in your site now, you can go and add another one and it'll be the exact same. We're going to put one up here above and there you go. So that's how you're going to style your horizontal rule line blocks in Squarespace with this custom CSS simple snippet.